Hey everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. This side Akshay Kaushik, I am a Delhi based practicing lawyer. And today I'm going to talk about the most crucial element, the most crucial aspect of civil dispute resolution or civil drafting, that is the pleadings. Like according to me, if you lack in any relevant portions of your pleadings, there are chances that you may lose your battle in the court, you may lose your case, and ultimately you will have to face the consequences. The reason why I am making this video, why I am sharing this particular thing with you guys, is because of the major factor that like few days ago when the VCs, the virtual courts were not started, the physical hearings were going on. On that particular occasion, I had to appear before the Faridabad courts in some civil dispute where I was representing one of the defendants, defendant number 3 to be very precise. When I appeared before the court, I submitted before the judge, the civil judge, that even if plaintiff succeeds in getting the decree in his favor, he will not be able to execute the same because he has not specifically claimed any particular relief against the defendant number 3. So the decree will be useless for the plaintiff. And after the arguments, the case has been put up by the judge for the orders. The case has already been reserved for the orders now. I am waiting for the orders right now. But let me tell you, the plaintiff was shocked that he did not claim any particular relief against the defendant number 3 against us, so he will not be able to execute the decree in our favor. And that is a mistake which we lawyers tend to mistake normally, because sometimes the clients do not tell us the complete details of the case, and sometimes because of the typographical error and also sometimes because of the rush in filing the case, we tend to do this mistake. So do not commit this mistake, because let me tell you that CPC, the Code of Civil Procedure, which governs the civil law, also provides that if you omit to claim anything in your plaint, you will not be able to claim that particular thing in future, because CPC extinguishes your right to claim the relief which you could have claimed at the time of filing of the case, but which you did not claim. However, there are things which you can do to rectify the mistake. Like you can file an application for amendment of pleadings before the court under Order 6 Rule 17 of the CPC. But let me tell you, the amendment of pleadings has also limited scope. For example, if you are moving an application for amendment of pleadings, the court will have to see that whether there is any prima facie grounds on which court will allow your application or not. Because if your application changes the nature of the case, like suppose you file an application but the application somehow changes the nature of your case, changing the cause of action, changing the entire matter in hand, in those scenario, court will not allow your application for amendment of pleadings. Court will have to see prima facie that your application will not cause irreparable injury to the opposite party, and also you have not moved the application to delay and harass the trial. After taken into consideration so many factors, court will allow your application for amendment of pleadings. So it's better for you, whenever you are drafting your case, take your time. Do not omit anything which you might be regretting in future, like for which you have to move an application for Order 6 Rule 17, because that will cost you time, money, and also it will somehow delay the trial. And also there are chances that your case will not be taken up by the judge as it should have been taken at the very first instance. Your relief will be delayed. You will have to wait for months and years, because the application for 6 Rule 17 also takes so much of time to decide. The opposite party will also take objections to your application, that why did you not take those grounds at the time of filing of the case. So these are the main things which I would like to share in this particular video.